guys, I'm here to do a video, and this time I already did one previously, but I just purchased, well, I just got this in the mail yesterday. So this right here is, let me show ya. Ta-da! This is a notebook, and I did do a video on one of these previously, but this one right here is the horse and carriage print, and it's in the color, I want to say this color is called khaki or something like that. I'm not sure. I want to say it's called khaki or taupe or something. I don't know, but I'll put it at the bottom. But here it is. This is so cute, and this sold out so fast. When I went on there to purchase it, it said almost gone, so I clicked on it and tried to put it in my basket, and it wouldn't go because it said other people had it in their baskets. Well, you know, you only can keep these in your stuff in your basket for like only 15 minutes. So I guess I caught them slipping, so I kept doing it, and it finally got in my basket. As soon as it got in my basket, I hurried up and checked out, so I was able to get it. It retails for 70 bucks. And I got it for $18, and I want to say like 79 cents. And with tax and all, it was $20 even. So there was no shipping because they was doing a free shipping. I had some kind of code, and it was free shipping. So I just paid $20 even for this. So it was a good deal considering it retails at $70. So here it is. Bump, bump, bump. Show you guys the inside. It's really, really cute. Soft too. So here's the inside. It has Coach. This is clear. And there's that. Uh-oh. Ooh, this one has lines. Y'all see that? My other one didn't have lines. Ooh. I guess they heard me saying I was going to get a notebook to replace it and put lines in it. A notebook with lines. So here's the back. Let me take that out for y'all. Well, I'll leave that out. So here it is. It's just a little cute little cover. And then I'll just stick that back. Oh, here's a little card thingy. Oh, this is hard to get back in here. So, there it goes. And here's the, boy, they be trying to get you. Got that, just a little care card. But like I said, it retails for 70 bucks. And every time they put those on there, y'all, they sell out so fast. I'm telling y'all, so fast. And here's the other one that I did a video on previously, with just the regular signature print. And this one right here, it just had just plain paper. It wasn't lined or anything. So you can always just switch, you know, switch them out. But here they both go. And they are, I think this one is probably a tad bit, just barely. It's probably just a little bit bigger. But they pretty much still the same size. Here they go. I still love this one, but this is a pretty print too. But this is the horse and carriage print, and then this is the signature print, and this one retails for $70 also. And I want to say I paid like 20 something dollars for this one, 21, 24, something like that. But here they go. And I just want to do this real fast just to show y'all. I'm excited that this came in the stripe, the line paper or whatever. I like that. But just wanted to show you guys that. And like always, got any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.